the why has been sort of steeped in so much emotion. It's just kind of, you know, a real part of me.
I'd like to say I'm quite an active person, but there's other parts of my health that I almost neglected or didn't really think about too much. And I was constantly chasing an uphill. It was an uphill battle. It was so much outward energy. Even though I sleep 8 hours, I meditate for an hour every night. Like I was doing all this stuff, it wasn't in balance to my goal.
I know that for a lot of study and the practical things that I've been doing, that hasn't had time to ruminate and integrate. Sometimes it takes a day, sometimes it takes 3 months. Then it's actually useless.
With something like not going like I would like to go, I keep getting angry.
And when you say things aren't going the way that you want them to go, is it people aren't doing what you want them to do?
Yeah.
Do you want people to get better?
Yeah, of course.
Could you be more of a challenger? And if I was challenging people to do things, I wasn't yelling at them, but I was challenging them, and it was ultimately serving them.